Hello friends, this product I got delivery from Amazon yesterday and it is good tire inflator, good useful product for household. Like you can carry it anywhere, like whenever you go to trip, like in car, in your bike, or you can use it at home. It comes with the charging cable. It have 20,000 mAh battery, and how to use it I showed you a demo. But first, before starting the demo, I show you it's come with different nozzles, so you can use it on different tires, bike, car, or wherever you want to use it. Let's see how to use it. Okay, just insert this and press it. It will automatically start, and it have digital screen too. Yeah, it started filling air. It's a good product. And this is the box, and these are the nozzles. It's come, and nozzles are all in the back side of that. See here. Yeah. And user manual also with it. User manual, and from here you can. Yeah, it's also come with a torch. See, I show you the torch. Yeah, here's the torch. If you like, you can buy it. Shop now from Amazon. It's a good, useful product for every household.